Okay, this is lesson 22 of hands-on equations. You are going to learn how to solve equations today that contain multiples of parenthetical expressions involving the green cube. So, let's put an example up on the board. We have 2, there's our parentheses, x minus 1, close parentheses, plus 4 stars, equals x plus negative 8. So let's see how we can solve this using our kit. The first thing I want to look at is, what is it telling us to do in the beginning of this expression? What is it telling us to do, Chris?
Do the parentheses twice.
So do what is in the parentheses 2 times. So what's in the parentheses, Benny?
X minus 1.
X minus 1. So here's my x. Do I have a 1 that I can minus?
No.
So what do I need to do?
Add pairs.
I need to add a pair of 1s so that I can subtract it. So now I have x minus 1, and that's what I'm left with. How many times does it tell me I need to do that, Chris?
Upside down.
Oh, thank you. That's all right. How many times is it telling me I need to do that?
Twice.
I need to do it twice. So let's put it up again. X minus 1. There we go. So there it is. And then the rest of the statement says plus 4 stars. So let's get our 4 stars out. 1, 2, 3, 4 equals x plus negative 8. Here's x. Here's plus a negative 8. So, what is the first thing that I can do to solve this equation, Truman?
You can take one blue pawn from both sides.
I absolutely can. What is the next thing that I can do to solve this equation, Chris?
Take the ones.
Which equals what?
2.
So I can take 2 away from this side, and then I need to take 2 away from this side, which equals what?
6.
6. And there's another thing that I can do to make this even simpler. Go ahead, Benny.
Take the blue and the white pawn away.
And why can I do that?
Because they're pairs.
Because it's a pair and it equals
0.
0, so I can take it away. So now I have 3 stars equals negative 6. What does 1 star equal, Chris?
Negative 2.
Negative 2. Negative 2, negative 4, negative 6. And that's our solution. Let's do another example. So I'm going to write it on the board. I have 2 times 2x minus 4 plus star equals 2 plus 2 star. All right, so let's solve that one. Truman, what is it telling me to do?
The parentheses tell you you're going to have to do 2x minus 4 twice.
Good. So the number outside the parentheses tells me what I need to do, how many times I need to do what is in the parentheses. So what's in the parentheses?
2x
2x
minus 4.
minus 4. Do I have a 4 that I can minus?
You're going to have to put a pair up.
I'm going to have to put a pair up. Excellent. So there we go. 2x, let me find my 4s. 2x minus 4. How many times do I need to do that, Lynn?
2.
2 times. So I can just put it right up again. 2x minus 4. There it is, 2 times. Plus a star equals what? Equals what? Tell me, Tyler, what does it equal?
2.
2 plus the bottom one.
Oh, 2 star.
2 plus 2 stars. What's the first thing I can do here, Lynn?
Take a star away from each side.
Take a star away from each side. What's the next thing I can do here, Benny?
You can take the 4s away. No. Oh.
No, I can't do that. I can't do that. What do they equal together?
Positive. Negative
Negative what?
8.
Negative 8. So what do you think I can do? What's another step that I can take here to solve this equation? Tyler?
Gonna take away the 2 4. Oh wait, you can't do that.
Truman?
Maybe you should add a pair next to the 2 to take away the blue pawn.
Okay. So we can add a pair there. Like that, and take away a blue pawn.
Yep.
Okay? How many times should I do that?
3.
3 more times. Do that, take away a blue pawn. Do that, take away a blue pawn. And do that, take away a blue pawn. Now what's the last thing I want to get rid of on this setup? Last thing I want to get rid of.
The 2.
I want to get rid of the 2. How can I get rid of the 2, Chris?
Pair.
I'm going to create a pair. So, let's see. I need a positive 2 and a negative 2. I don't have a negative 2 I can use here. So, let's just, give me 1 second. To borrow an extra one. So I have a positive 2 and a negative 2. Now what can I take away, Vanessa?
The 2.
I can take away the positive 2 from each side, and that leaves me with 5 stars equals negative
10.
10. What does each star equal?
2.
Negative 2. So star equals negative 2 on that setup. We have one more setup we can do. Actually, we don't. That is the end of lesson 22.
You have to say that.
I do like to say that.